So the first thing you want to do is adjust your seat so that you're comfortable and you're...
I've never been in like a little car before. So
what do you drive usually?
I don't actually haven't drove that much to be honest, but
Okay.
if I drove like maybe 3 times in that one right there.
Awesome, right on. The Mitsubishi, that's what my daughter has actually, that same one.
Yeah, I still feel a little different.
Yeah, every car feels a little different.
I don't know how I feel like a little low.
Okay, so then you want to take that little pump there and just pump it up until you're comfortable. Okay.
When I'm up, usually when I'm driving, I'm like up there.
Okay, and then you can adjust your back as well. Like there's the longer lever just behind the smaller one. Yeah, there you go. And your arms are bent. That's good. You're far enough away from the steering wheel too, so it won't, like the airbag, if it deploys, it won't hurt you.
So there's a good like length there.
Yeah,
here?
that's good. Your hand position on the wheel is exactly where they should be, like about 9 3/4. They want your hands to be as far apart from each other as possible, so that if the airbag does deploy, then your hands won't be in the way. It won't fly in your face. Okay, and then your right foot should be able to reach under the floor, under the brake pedal, the floor, touch the floor under the brake pedal. That's perfect, yeah. Okay. So that's just to make sure that your leg isn't stretched out or whatever. So if you're comfortable like that, then next you want to adjust your side mirrors.